Hello, everyone. My name is Robert, also known as Rental Robert on social media. I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I'm able to analyze deals. That way you can find profitable real estate. So the very first step is you want to type in an area. Now you can do any city, any state. So what we want to do is we want to come over here, search up the area. Now it depends on what sort of property you want. You could do single family, condo, multifamily, etc. I prefer multifamily real estate, which is duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes, anything of that nature, going all the way up to a 100-unit apartment building. So you can see over here, these are some of the different properties for sale. Now, once you find a property that you like, right? All I'm doing is I'm taking the details and I'm plugging it directly into the spreadsheet, and it will analyze the deal for you. So you could enter in any down payment. So if I want 25% down, or if I wanted to do 3.5%, it will automatically adjust your mortgage payment as well as your down payment. Same with your loan term interest rate. So it's all plug and play. So you can use Zillow, Realtor, Redfin. All we're doing is taking the details and I'm filling in these boxes. You also want to enter in the rent per unit, right? So this is a duplex with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The average rent within this area, if we look up average rent in Ohio, Cleveland, you can see over here the average rent for an apartment in this area is around $1,000 for 1 bedroom, and it says the average rent in this area is $1,316, right? So this property has 2 bedrooms on each side, so we're going to come over here and rent out both units. Then I want to come over here and plug in the expenses, right? So what are the expenses for the property? We have our property tax, we have home insurance, maintenance, vacancy management. So anything that you want to include, you can plug in here. If you decide that you want to renovate the property, you can plug it in there. But management is usually 5 to 20%. So if you decide to buy outside of your state, you just plug in management. And then now we can scroll down and find out if it's a profitable deal. So the spreadsheet will calculate everything for you. So you can see over here, that's around 13,000, almost 14,000 in profit, and you're getting 172% cash on cash return. When you download the spreadsheet, which includes, the bundle, you can get the Airbnb tool, arbitrage, investment analysis, and fix and flip. So regardless of what sort of property you're trying to analyze, all we're doing is taking the details, we're plugging it into the spreadsheet, and it will analyze it for you. So congrats on getting started, and let's get some passive income